In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Wrike. Whether you're using this powerful project management tool to streamline your workflows or simply to keep track of tasks, creating a form can be an excellent way to gather information efficiently. So, let's dive in and transform your Wrike experience with a simple step-by-step process. First things first, head straight to your Wrike dashboard. This is essentially your home base in Wrike, where you can manage everything from projects to new task assignments. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to click on your profile, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. It's that little icon with your initials or your photo on it. After clicking on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. Here's where you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is your gateway to customizing and managing your Wrike account according to your needs. Inside Settings, find and click on Request Forms. This section will house all the forms you've created or plan to create in Wrike. Once you're in the Request Forms section, look for an option labeled Form. Click on it to start the process of creating a new form. You'll be prompted to enter the details of the form you want to create. Here, you'll need to think about the kind of information you want to gather. Do you need a name, an email address, or perhaps a detailed description of an issue or a request? Fill out these details thoughtfully to ensure you gather all necessary information from the start. Now, after entering the details, it's time to click on Add. This action saves your information and allows you to start designing the form itself. One useful tool you can utilize in Wrike is the single-line text field. This feature lets the respondents input their text responses, whether answers to questions or specific details. Click on Single-Line Text to add this feature to your form. Once you're satisfied with the structure and content of your form, the next step is to make it available to your team or clients. To do this, simply click on Publish. Your form is now live and ready to be shared with others, enhancing your capability to collect data, feedback, or requests seamlessly via Wrike. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've successfully created a form in Wrike, optimizing your workflow and enhancing the way you gather vital information. Remember, the more precise your form is, the more effective it will be at capturing the data you need. Thanks for joining me today, and happy form creating on Wrike.